What is up, everybody? Summer is coming up, and if you guys are like me, then your system might need a recharge of AC. Now, I went to my local auto parts store and picked up this Arctic Freeze. It's just refrigerant. If you try to take your car to a normal shop, they'll charge you upwards of $300 to $400 just to charge the AC system, when you can buy one of these cans for about $40 and do it yourself. All that in today's episode. My name is Ryan. This is Project Race Car. Let's get into it. So on every car, there is a high pressure side and a low pressure side. For BMWs, high pressure is right there, low pressure is down there. What's nice is the low pressure will be a smaller cap than the high pressure. So we'll unscrew the cap on this to reveal where we'll be putting in the AC. The actual nozzle won't fit on the high pressure side. It'll just fit on the smaller low pressure side. Also, I'm gonna need to find that gasket that just fell. But what you'll need to do is jump in your car, throw it in neutral, and start it. Starts like a dream. And then we'll turn on the climate control and crank it all down to the lowest possible setting. And then what we're also gonna do is we're gonna turn on the AC so that it tries to jump start the AC. And what we'll notice is that it will just be blowing warm air and it won't be blowing cold air, even though it's supposed to be doing that. So once we actually fill the AC, then we'll be able to feel the cool air coming in. And once we actually charge the AC, we'll be able to hear the AC condenser click on. So we're going to wait a little bit, and then we'll start pumping the AC into the car. And it says shake the can well, and then we'll attach it to the low pressure side. Then we'll be holding the nozzle and rotating the can to where the liquid comes towards the top. And we'll just continually do that until the charge is full and until it starts blowing cold air. For most cars, you're going to be ending up between 45 and 55 psi. And what we're going to be doing is holding down the nozzle and just rotating it. The pressure won't read until you let off of the actual gun. You'll want to just do this until the system is full and holding pressure. So you can actually feel the bottle getting colder as you're shaking it, as you're rotating it. So again, since the system is empty, it's going to take a lot of actual AC. But if your car just needs a quick recharge, it's not going to take that much. And we're looking good. We're up at 35 or 32. So we'll just keep going. And at a certain point, the AC condenser will actually kick on. So if we look at the gauge, we're right at that 45 mark. So I'm gonna leave it right there. I might add a little bit more, but the car is blowing nice cold AC, and we just recharged our AC for $40. So I think that that's a win, and it's easy enough for everybody to do. But the car's blowing nice cold AC on full blast. The AC condenser is working, and again, you just recharged your AC for only $40. So save a trip to the shop and redo it yourself. Again, very easy. Pretty much everybody can do it. But I hope this video helps. If you guys are new to the channel, please give this video a like and subscribe for more content. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Ryan. This is Project Race Car. Peace.